Hey guys, gals, GoodBulb Tom, features and benefits to the LED PAR38, outdoor rated, wet location. The most common application for these LEDs are recessed cans that are running around your business, running around your home. They could be spotlight in certain areas of the business or the home. They can also be used indoors between 12 and 20 foot ceilings. The biggest mistake people make is outside. 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night, you shut these lights off. And that's when bad bulbs are checking out your business, bad bulbs are checking out your home, and you don't want bad bulbs. Keep your lights on 24/7 to keep bad bulbs away. Available in 2 Kelvin temperatures. 3000 Kelvin, the orange box. A warm, softer, still bright light. 5000 Kelvin, a bright white light. This is what I use on the outside of my home. Amazing LEDs, 25,000 hours, 1,250 lumen each, 15 watts. You're only going to cost pennies on your electric bill to run on a yearly basis. These things will last a really long time. Any questions on the outdoor PAR38 LEDs, you just let us know. Thank you for listening.